In Nashville, lawmakers are calling for a constitutional amendment that some call anti-union. The Right to Work Amendment would not allow employers to hire or fire someone based on union status. As Liam Collins tells us, it may not result in much change in the law. Liam?
Yeah, David, Tennessee is already a right-to-work state, but state Republicans are aiming to make that law a constitutional right in Tennessee, while Democrats say it's a step too far.
This has been working well in Tennessee since 1947.
Tennessee State Representative Patsy Hazelwood is leading the fight to carve right to work in the state's constitution. She's a sponsor of the Right to Work Amendment, which is on the ballot for voters in the state in next month's general election.
This simply gives the worker the ability to decide if they want to be a member of the union or if they don't.
The amendment is among 4 at the end of the ballot for voters in Tennessee. Right to Work bans employers from hiring or firing someone based on whether or not they're in a union. It's already a law in Tennessee, but next month's vote would put it in the state's constitution.
Right to work is anti-common man or woman and pro big business.
Representative Yusuf Hakeem is against the amendment. He calls the law anti-union and says a constitutional amendment is unnecessary.
To put it in the state constitution, all you're doing is spending money and time, and in addition to that, score political points.
More than 50% of people who vote in the governor's race would have to support the amendment in order for it to pass. Similarly, if the state ever wanted to remove the amendment, it would have to go through the same process after being approved by a majority in both chambers of the General Assembly.
The benefits from right to work go to the rich and powerful, meaning those big businesses and politicians who receive the big donations.
This is not anti-union. This is pro-employee.
Now, this is just one amendment on the ballot on November 8th. To learn more about the other 3 choices you have on next month, you can read about them on our website, local3news.com.